What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. Man, I'm at a cool spot today, guys. This is a spot I've been wanting to go to for a while. There's not very much on this place other than it was like a mill for gold mining. It was closed down in 1998, and it started in the mid 80s, so this is not that old. This is not that old of a place, and for it to actually still be out here and intact as much as it is awesome, guys. So guys, if you could just do me a quick favor and hit that thumbs up. I had to drive 130 miles to get out here. This is the furthest I've ever driven specifically for an Explorer. So please, guys, if you can give me that thumbs up, I would appreciate it. Now let's get started. Definitely making some noise. I definitely do not like heights. This is probably about 3 stories up, guys, so. Guys, this is such a cool spot. I mean, I see this all over Instagram. There's a few videos on it. But I mean, this place is so remote. It's about a good 30-35 miles off the closest freeway. Other than that, I didn't pass a single house between here and the freeway to come and check this out. By the way, I am out here with another YouTuber. You can look down in the description to see who it is, or you could just be surprised when we meet up with him somewhere in that building back there. All right, guys, so this is definitely making some noise. You hear that? It's a little creaky. Definitely a lot of crashing around. We'll go check all this out momentarily, guys. Let's just see where that noise is coming from. Look at that. All that cool stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Might have just been the wind blowing some of this stuff around. Hopefully. But yeah. Look at this. So other than the little bit of history I gave you guys, that's really all I could dig up on this place. It was closed in 98. It opened in the early 80s. So this is roughly 40 years old. What do you think they stored in this? Huh. Oh, and the other thing that I did find out, this is actually what they consider a Superfund site. So it's basically a site that is toxic and needs to be cleaned up. And obviously, they're not doing that. It's an awesome old school workbench. Very cool. I'm assuming this would be like the ground floor basement. Obviously ground floor, but I don't know. Yeah. Not much down here to see. Oh, there was a fire here at one point. Don't think I'll be using those. Well, maybe. What? I think that was an office at one point, from what I've seen online. I don't know, maybe there's still an office up there. What do you guys think? Wow. Kind of almost don't know where to go. Let's see, I think I should chance it. Let's see what's over here first. Look like we got some lockers right here. Nope, not lockers, but I guess like control panels or something. Of course, they've all been rated for their copper. Somebody's been shooting. Hope that wasn't today.
What happened? Oh, did you?
All right, guys, so ready for our mystery guest? It's Nick from Exploring with Nick. What up? So what do you think of this spot so far? Whoa, that did not feel, that feels kind of creepy. Step on that one.
Yeah, you don't step on that one. But yeah, dude, it's pretty nice so far. If you take a walk on that right there, it's that
one there?
When we first came in.
Okay.
I think it was a conveyor belt. I'm not 100% sure.
All right, cool. I'm gonna go check it out right now then. Look at this. All part of the mill. Crazy, huh? This is actually the backside of, well, when you first get here, you see this big skeleton. It looks like it's spray painted, but somebody actually took their time, and I'm guessing they used like tin snips or something, cut all this out. It's pretty bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this was a conveyor belt at one point. Look at that. It's kind of creepy. Creepy. Ooh, it is super cold in here. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be going too far in here, guys. I can actually feel them walking down at a grade. Very slight grade. Wow. All right. Oh, might as well check out what's up here since I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, you can go all the way up to that. Yeah, no thanks. All right, so that's where we were just at. Came up here because I thought this was going to be like a little office or something. Just a little breaker room. Of course, it's stripped too, probably for all the copper. It's a cool view. Kind of like that. Actually getting a little thirsty being out here in this heat. But yeah, this thing is getting pretty rickety. You can hear it just every now and then a gust of wind will come by and it just starts shaking and squeaking, and it's kind of odd. Let's just see what's here real quick, and then we'll head back down into the building where Nick is at. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a little old school. Very cool. All right. Let's see what else. Yeah. Check out these stairs, guys. You know, it's not as hot as I expected it to be here. My phone isn't even overheating for the first time in a couple months. It's not overheating. You know, this is so far out in the middle of nowhere. I bet the fire department didn't even show up for this. I bet they didn't. Yeah, you know, I'm not even gonna walk over there because it feels like the floor warped. I don't want to go through. I'm definitely gonna need some water here pretty soon. Wow. Let's see. Wow. What do you think they were mixing in here? I made it! Did you come up here yet? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Nah. A little bit, but not too sketchy. Yeah. I definitely do not like heights. This is probably about 3 stories up, guys, so imagine a 3-level story house. Yep, that's where I'm at. And look, guys, in the middle of literally nowhere. Normally I wouldn't be showing off the view because you know, it gives away the location, but this is so isolated. Nobody's really gonna come out here. Definitely. Okay, and this is the back side of the main attraction here at this place right there. Oh, you can see there was a big pit right here for something. Huh. Obviously probably for water, but whatever. I think it's time to take a little break and rehydrate and then get back to it. I don't like this, guys. Damn, I hate heights, guys. You have no idea how bad I hate heights. If you guys could just give me a like just for that, I would really appreciate a like for these heights, dude. I don't do heights, I really don't. Alright, because I know somebody would definitely want me to go down here. Let's check this out. What do you guys think it was? Whoa. Just tripped over that dang thing. And it wouldn't be nobody to sue. Now that looks like a hazard. Huh. You guys think it's down there? You know what, guys? The more I look at this, I think this was the office. Not that burnt section up there, stairs. I think this might have been the office. Somebody has come here and decided to take it down. Isn't that nice of them? Somebody took it upon themselves to take it down the whole office. Every time I see this thing, even though I've been here a little while, I keep looking at it. It always looks like the bottom of the that UFO ride that you would find at like the county fairs. Oh, you know what that means, guys. Yep. Hey, that way. Wow, how would you get way up there just to tag that? Huh. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of 909 Adventures. Obviously, guys, I was hanging out with Nick from the channel Exploring with Nick. we were at another Explore, and we figured, hey, we're more than halfway here. Let's come out here and check this out together, because it's such a remote location, guys. You do not want to come out here by yourself, especially in the summer. So we figured, hey, let's do it. So Nick, do you have any social media you want to share with us?
Yeah, if you guys could please go ahead and check my channel out on YouTube. It's Exploring with Nick, and my Instagram, Exploring with Nick also.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. So if you can check him out, give us a thumbs up, both of us. Also subscribe to both of us if you haven't done so yet, and leave a comment. If you guys don't know what to say, just say hello. Let's start a conversation, guys. I look forward to talking to everybody. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of 909 Adventures. This fuzzy thing is in the way now. Bartender, Coors Light, please.